tell you like how to install Visual Studio. So I have gone on Google. So I'll just write Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition. So download the very first link what comes, download Visual Studio. So if you are in the later years, you could be getting like 2023 or whatever so far. So that's not a problem. You could install any of it. So by clicking the download, one small program has already been downloaded to my computer. So that is Visual Studio Setup.exe. I am going to right click on it and run it as an administrator. So I'm giving it necessary accesses. With this dialog comes and it's been downloaded. Basically, it's an installer exe. So that installer exe has been downloaded and it's now going to launch a program. It takes a little time, obviously, because it is going to download and install. So it should open a window. Yes, this was the window I was waiting for. And this is my Visual Studio 2022 Community Edition installer. So here I need ASP.NET, and I'll not install like desktop development also, let it be. That's it. So apart from this, I'm not going to select anything else. If required, we can come back here and install it once again. So it says like total required, it's 6.65 GB, and we are now going to install it. So it says the download time, it's going to take a little time. Come back. So this is the screen. So you could see like this installation is going on, and it's about to complete, it's about to finish. Yep, it's done. Wonderful. So my 2022 Visual Studio has been launched also, if you could see. So now we are going to do the real time work. So to begin with, I'm not going to write any big code and all that, we will be writing in the next videos, but now I'll just simply try to run it. So if it runs or not. So ideally it should launch. I'm just waiting for that. Yeah. So it has launched. So this installation wise, that's the reason I prefer like Visual Studio. Now I find it super easy to use. So because the our as a developer, our ultimate aim is to write the code, and that's what we need to focus more. So here, like lots of other IDs I have seen, lots of configuration is needed. Here nothing is needed. So straight away we can get on the work. I'm just waiting it to, because it might be doing some settings internally, so that's what I'm waiting for. So it says also this may take a minute. So I had some earlier versions also like installed, because we started working in 2010, and then keep on moving, and now I have 17 also, 19 also, 22 also. So whatever latest comes, I keep on upgrading to that. Yeah, done. So I'll what I'll do, I'll skip it for now, and later on maybe a dark theme or blue. I'll go for the light theme. I'm more comfortable. So you could choose either of the theme, and I'll start my Visual Studio. So but I have seen many programmers, they work on the dark mode, but since initially like Microsoft was giving the default one as white, so I have been more comfortable working with this light background. And here now I'm going to create one simple project. So create a new project. Let's see whether our id is working or not, and hopefully it should work. So I will use, say, console application, and anywhere it should go. So later on we will just see. Just I am checking .NET 6.0 long term, and I'll create one console app. So first time only it takes time, because just now I had basically uninstalled my program, this Visual Studio, just to show you all. So here everything has come. It's like this console dot write line, one write line is written. I'm just going to run it without doing any changes. So let's see if the console comes. Yeah. Hello world has come. Our this program is working. This means our ID is working. Now in the next videos, as I had promised, I'll take you all through the exact core codes. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks a lot. See you all in the next video.